to Star Aromas Designs, and we are going to be making a necklace using some of the beads from this month's Jesse James Beads Design Ambassador Program items that I received. I wanted to share with you a simple necklace using some of the beads, and I also pulled a few beads from my previous Jesse James beads that I have in my stash. So what you're going to need is you're going to need the cage bead from the Academia mix. You're going to need this little bead from the Academia mix as well. And then these other beads are from previous Jesse James items that I have in my stash. So, and then you're going to need this gigantic, beautiful pendant. We're going to use that. And I have some memory wire, and we're going to see how that works out because I have not done this yet. So, and I also have some chain, some black chain in my stash. I have a lobster claw clasp, and I have a couple of jump rings, and then I have this little charm. I don't know if I'm going to use it yet, but we're going to see. You're going to need your memory wire cutters, or in my case, I'm using an old pair of flush cutters that I've had for like 6 years, and they're old and beaten up, but they still work to cut memory wire. So that's what you're going to need. And you're going to need some chain nose pliers and bent nose pliers to open your jump rings. So first thing we're going to do is we have our memory wire, and I'm going to string on my pendant because I want it in the middle. So this is what it looks like in the middle. Okay, and then I'm going to add my beads. I'm going to add these little black ones that look like this, like little torpedo shaped beads from the Academia mix on either side. Let's see if I can. There we go. On either side, just like this. Okay. And then I'm going to add these little square gray beads that I have from Jesse James Beads in my stash. I like to use some other things from my stash to help my Jesse James beads go further, and so that's what I'm doing. So I'm adding those, then I'm adding these cage beads, or these I call them cage beads. They could be cage beads from Jesse James Beads Academia mix on either side, like that. And let's see. Okay, and then I'm going to add a Jesse James Beads rondelle, rhinestone rondelle, to either side of that. And this is what we have so far. And then I have these swirl shaped beads, kind of. They like, they're kind of twisty. If you can see that, kind of twist. And we're going to use those on either side of the rondelle. Man, I can't hold on to anything today. So there's that one. And then I have a teeny tiny rondelle that's going to go on top, just like that. Okay. Sorry about that. That's my alarm. And we have one more. So this is what we have right here, okay? So we are going to... It's been a while since I made anything using memory wire. So what we're going to do is we need round nose pliers. I forgot about that. And we're going to make a loop going like this, straight under. And we're going to hold it with our thumb, and we're just going to rotate our pliers until it meets, okay? Till it meets right there. And then we're going to bend it back a little. Okay, so we have something that looks like this, okay? Then we're going to take our beads, and we're going to move them down a little bit. And let's see. Move them down. And I'm going to cut, I'm going to leave about an inch of wire, hanging out. And this one, I'm going to go this way. I'm going to go this way. Actually, I think I can cut a little more to make that loop. Like I said, this is an old pair of pliers, so it's okay. Don't freak out. Okay, so now we're going to take this one, and you see how this one is going this way? This one, we're going to take it and go that way, go backwards. We're going to bend it backwards. And we're going to make it a bigger loop. Bend, bend, till it touches. Okay. Bend until it touches. So we have something that looks like this. Okay. And we're going to bring it back just a little bit. There we go. And then we're going to take it and let's see. We're going to open it up just a little. And we're going to see if I can do this without losing beads. Like I said, it's been a while. Been a while since I used memory wire. And I think, okay. Hang on, let me do it just like that. Okay. What I did is I opened the little one. And I stuck it on there. And then we have to put it back in there. Put it back so that no beads come off. So you kind of have to manhandle memory wire a little bit and get it back just like that. Okay. I think I did that a little different than I wanted to, but you know, I'm going to wear this necklace. I'm not going to sell it or anything unless I redo this part. But for right now, this is what we have going on. Okay, just like this. And then we're going to get I may need a big jump rings. Okay, so I have this thicker gauge jump ring, and we're going to open it. We're going to open it just like this. Remember to open, grab on the side, and open toward you. Okay, you open towards you. And I'm going to do this right here. Actually, let me get a smaller one. Let's see if we can use one of these babies right here. I know I'm all over the place. Y'all forgive me. Like I said, it's been a couple of weeks and my brain, the last few weeks, I ain't had no sleep. Okay, so we're going to fit it in here just like this. We're going to go up through both loops. Do it again now that it fell out. You're going to take your jump ring and you're going to look at your loops and you're going to go through one and oh my goodness, y'all. I am so sorry. You're going to go through one and you're going to wiggle it around and go through both, okay? Just like that. And then we're going to close that loop up. Close the loop up, okay? So we have this. Now we're going to take our big one and we're going to just get in the one loop so that it's like this. That way we can put it on our chain, okay? And when you put it on your chain, you can either hook it to your chain or you can just let it, you know, free flow. And I think I'm just going to let mine free flow so it can have some movement. So let's see. This is what it looks like right here. Okay? All right. So there's that. We have our chain and and like I said, I measure my chain on myself because I like mine a little longer and I like it to go over my head. So it's whatever your preference is. Not everybody is like me and likes it the same way. You can measure yours. I do not measure my chain unless I'm going to be selling it, and then I do. But for, rule of thumb, I don't. Okay, so we have our chain, and we're going to slip this on right here and bring it down to the middle. And if you hold it up to yourself and see, where it lands, you can see if you like that or not. Okay, so this is what it looks like on our chain. Alright, now we're going to finish our chain off. And we're going to, I think I need another tiny jump ring. See what I've done with them. Okay, here they are. And I got these from Big Box Bargains. Got them for like, 99 cents. So we're going to open up our little tiny jump ring again. Open our tiny jump ring and put it on one side. And then I'm also going to hang this charm on here. Whoops. These are a little wonky. Alright, so there we have that. And I'm going to add one more to this side as well to hang our clasp on. So we have one more, and I'm just going to hook it on this one. I'm sorry about bumping the camera. I'm just having some issues today. Okay, so here we have a clasp right here. Our jump ring for our clasp to hook onto. We have our clasp, and let me find one more jump ring. I may have to use a slightly bigger one to hook it with. Okay, so we're just gonna open that up and attach our lobster and attach it to the end right there, just like this. Okay, and then we're going to clasp it. Going to clasp it on our little, because I'm not going to be opening this. This is just for decoration. So this is what this looks like. And here is our finished necklace. Get all the stuff off my thing. Here is our finished necklace. Let's back up a little. This is what it looks like. It's very pretty and it's simple but elegant at the same time. You could wear this with, for a special event, or, just wear it. You can dress it up or dress it down. You can wear it with jeans and a t-shirt, or you can wear it with a nice dress. It's very pretty. And like I said, you could put the little lava balls in here, the little lava, Lord help, lava beads in here, and use it for aromatherapy. But there we go. There's our necklace. I hope y'all enjoyed this tutorial. I know it was kind of all over the place, but that's how I am sometimes. Y'all have to forgive me. I hope y'all have a blessed, fabulous day. Remember, don't let anyone dull your sparkle. You were born to shine. I will leave a link down below to Jessie James Bead's website, to the products that I used for the beads. I'll also leave a link down below to the Jessie James Beads website. I will see y'all next time. Please leave a comment. Please like the video and subscribe. I'd love to have you as a member of my YouTube family, and share the video, and I will see y'all next time. Bye, y'all.